medase ene da so me shaw ewo Adom TV dwumadi a ato ne din Nkuranhyemre me am te dwumadi ho cha me dem nye so ya Apostle Dr. Nita Ekutegu ene me den nsem bi ekoso ama abrabomu nyoma esombo esa ekura wonsa no. You have a life to run and live. You have a life to run and live. And you cannot allow the issues of life to detain your destiny. I have a life to live. I have a life to run. And I cannot allow the issues of life to detain my destiny. You can't detain us out here. Say, so be actually a baby, no to prumu. O abrabo bi ese wobo. O nimde bi ese wo na dia abrabo. O ade bi ese wo ye ka abrabo ho. O sibon bi ese wo na dia ma abrabo. E ma abrabo akoto krane enipa no kasa enka sa na ye enkohye. E ma obi ni ye, e ma obi hwehwe wo bi. E ma obi suban bi na kasa bi enka abrabo nhye. Na kai se abrabo a wo boyi etoji wankasa esese wo ma abrabo kwan na ne anim ya bia eba so. Use every day to follow the path towards your destiny. Abrabo ewo ne nti a wo baaye unim se wo de nti a wo ba wiase. There's a reason why you were made the way you were made. There's a reason why you were made a Gan and a Khan from the Volta region, from Northern region, wherever, Brungahafu, Western and Central. There's a reason why you are called the way you are called. The reason why you are a woman or a man. For one reason or another, you were made for a reason. Find out where you were made and pursue that. That's only when you can reach your destinations in life. Baby, any able brabo, I shall man for the bra. And away you say maybe, and away for Hano, ye miss my phobia. And you'll be a brabo and a casa babo. One casa, or the entire baby, I say. You have a defined destiny to pursue. Therefore, every day, create pathways towards your destiny. To be a better idea. To be a enkoyi. Me sata brabo and send me and I made to my dream process. And send me and sape and a bomb brabo home by. Me can't. Life goes on. Life goes on. Abrabo ekoso. Whether I'm happy, whether I'm sad, whether I'm strong, whether I'm weak, life goes on. If I'm intelligent, life goes on. If I'm stupid, life will go on. If I'm wise, life will go on. If I'm stupid and foolish, life will still go on. Wherever I am, life will go on with who I am. Abrabo bekomu akoso said ya metie bia no e na baba fa so ebubra ma me etimi sata abrabo no me da say motu madwen so say life goes on. Abrabo ekoso, and life goes on with what I am and who I have in my life. Abrabo ekoso ni nyina so eni nipa me yo eni pa wo kama abrabo amedi bubra. Who are you? Me can say oh yeah Mrs. Wine and I'm Mr. Wine. You can who are you? Hina wa ho odne ehye. What are your strengths? Your strengths define who you are. For me, my strengths are into motivation. My strengths are into respect. My strengths are into communication. Me ma ho odne e wo me no eye enkuranhye. Ma ho odne eye nokuredi ni pepepe yo. Ma ho odne eye kasapa. These are my strengths. There are other ones. So say ni pebia unu nua eye wa ho odne abrabom na kai say abrabo be koso na ekoso no etwe akọ na de de twe akọ no eye nia wo yo suban wo anyone e ben wo. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, triumphs and challenges. Abrabo eya kwentio ya wo ketekete sa na ate na day wanyini ebi say wanyini na woni sika da bank abrabo nyina so onye sika wanya abrabo nyina so enye fa ho niam de fa ho na enye ajapade. You know, life is bigger than what you see as success. Me won krofo bi wedding kunuma abrabo munye sika wonya aye me modini no be aka sese be makwe hwehwani mu ba ye wo woni a wodi aka nipa no mu na enye sika wonya aye wa bu kompona hwe abrabo mu na kaka nkrofo bi a wondi ema wo nkranhye na wondi e kire wo se nipa wa bu brapa na kai se oja japade bia na men kan Yesu Kristo di enkyere wo wa hono amanfo aye hwehwemu ahwe ye hu se Yesu otokai ana osidampo no nipa mo ne efubonko na otena kire kokoro mu no beda akotokai wa hu ye na ye ni abre japade kese ena ama ye wire free de ntie boy yen japade nti wo mfa ni die ma wukunu japade nti wo mfa woni die ma wo yere ahonyade nti wo mfa ni die ma wadwuma wura kro no na wo bo adwuma mu ho wa hu eni bre a ejina japade ni sika so nti no ama ya pare ya brabo ye ntie ba wiase nso brabo ekoso adechi bi ekoso adesem bi brabo ekoso ni awo ya adechi ni adesem no ebe kire na abenya abrabo ya kwantuo ya kwantuo a ni nyina so ni bi yefro ebu ani ahwase ebu agina tintin ebu ani abubu ni nyina kosi se ni abegina wo nanso aye eja wodin awon chimba adwenso no na be cheso bubura mmobi owu eja ne sika a ne sika se ahye mmobi owu a oja dan bebre so yanka ne mpo mmobi a wanya dan na ne suba ne ye odada di enti no ama ne din aka nipa num ye fa no ejapade a eka sunsum ejapade ye wo ejapade ahodo miensa ye wo ejapade a eye hunam ejapade material things ye wo ejapade a wo sunsum ene wo ejapade a ka nipa adwene mu 3 properties in life. Which one are you building? Well, we see there, yeah. We talk here, but don't forget to live spiritual and mental properties as well. Papa yeboy, unya dia eye. Unya sika dibi. Nanso kai se, ye wajapade mienu aka se uja na chire. Spiritual property and mental property. Emu de na woja. Wo de no answer de bia na pa me pesika me pedin ho bribe kase sebe abrabo nipa ense nipa bo na wo bo entro ekoba nyina wo dibi krono ekoba nyina wo dibi chese nioma eni se nipa yo esa ahonya de sika nti wo yobi dan kwa ma obeka nchina gu na obehunu de beba abrabo akire me de ma abrabo me boy me pesika ba me sombo ma me eni se me jajapade at nipa adwene proso ena nipa sunsum enwa he anwo major spiritual property na major mental property asema wonte bi da hono and dem aka kire say ye wajapade ahodo miensa material or physical properties, spiritual properties and mental properties. Mesra wo say emra wo pe hunamu nyoma no ka hunu say wo ja sunsun majapade ene adwene majapade amanchirima ene obusuafo no oman na ye kawa ya nkawa nsu ya kawa bo nsema ma wo asudimpa so uja chire papa ema nipa yiri se bakasa ama onwato amenya spiritual property baako life goes on ediam yeso apostle Dr. Nita Kotego umamena Webek Ampedu na Thomas ni ade na camera fo ni san fo nyina wadom ase wo a onya amrehwe me da ase papa koso ahwe badwamu wono nyame